Hey guys, Reef here. Today we're installing the new Rock Pirates shock towers. I'm going to open these up, put them on our element, and see how it does, see how it looks. I'm sure it's going to perform amazing. The guys over at Rock Pirates do some great work. We're putting our 888 300 comp winch, which is already in there, so check out the video, and if you have any questions, just comment and we'll help you as soon as we can. Today we will be swapping out the stock rails on our element with the new Rock Pirates rails. These are super nice. So it works for 10.2 and the element chassis. You just got to swap this either in or out. For the element is out and the axial is in. So I'm going to go through it, take this apart. Should be pretty easy. We're going to do side by side, and then if there's any hiccups, we'll show you what we came across. This is our element rig that you guys might have seen. It has the half ecto body on here that we run. It's kind of like our line killer, if you will. It's got our 888 4S and our 300 comp spec internal winch. This is my go-to for like a comp setup, comper's dream. So we're gonna start working and get busy. So I said I was going to start at on each side, but I think for me, I mean, you have to know where everything's going to go back together, and I think that's for a lot of people it's hard to remember where everything goes, but for me it'll be easier to just remove everything, well, at least the major components, so you could see, but it should be an easy swap. You know, taking the bed off will help me see better, sliders, that kind of thing on both sides. But yeah, so we're gonna keep removing and go from there. Taking off our old frame rail, and what we're gonna do is I kind of like to clean up as I go here. You don't really get this much access to it unless you take it apart every time, but clean all my little parts here and then get a little organized and then come back, put the side on. So also what we're going to do is use the Rock Pirates new dual servo mount. We're going to take off this one because it has that ridge in here to ride in the C frame. This one is flush pretty much, so it's going to sit better in there. Looks nicer too. are done with the rails. Sorry we skipped ahead a little bit, but I just want to go through it and show you where we mounted everything. See those holes there, what we used to attach the skids here and to this skid plate, the sliders I mean. That's what we used for the bed, those holes. So I'm showing you this because sometimes it gets confusing on where to mount certain things. You can see where we did the servo tray. Right there, those are the holes we use. The holes we used for the panhard. I really like that servo tray. But yeah, that's the finished rails. I know on my stock one, I had cut this here so it doesn't hang overhang. So I don't know if I should ruin these nice rails by doing that, but I think, I don't know, cutting it may look a little better in my end. Steve's gonna kill me for cutting them, but I think I want to. But I like the overall stance of it. Performance should be really good. The look of it is amazing. I love the finish of these aluminum ones. So there it is, guys. All the goodies are available at Rock Pirates RC. Our goodies, of course, are available at reefsrc.com or your favorite retailer.